I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and confirming you can access system settings. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings and go directly to Accessibility, then Text-to-Speech output so you can see the active engine and rate options. Once there, note the current default engine name. Make sure you also open Apps and enable viewing of system apps so you can find the TTS package later. This ensures you control both the output engine and the app that provides it, which shortens the removal steps. Now change the default engine or try disabling it. In text-to-speech output, pick a different engine or set to none if allowed. If the engine is Google Text-to-Speech, open Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Show System Apps, right arrow Google Text-to-Speech. Tap Force Stop, then Storage and Clear Cache. If Disable is not active, uninstall updates to revert it to factory version and then disable. Make sure to confirm any prompts. This removes the active service and prevents automatic restart or updates from re-enabling it. Finish by restarting the device so system services reload without the TTS engine. Next, open your keyboard settings, Gboard or other, and turn off voice typing or dictation to stop speech features in apps. Finally, test by opening an app that previously used TTS. It should be silent or show no voice option. If something breaks, re-enable the engine temporarily and check accessibility services or app permissions. That helps isolate whether an app depends on TTS and lets you restore only what's necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.